What's up, gamers? Welcome back to the channel. If you love mobile gaming and want the best tips, tricks, and strategies, you're in the right place. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Today, I'm revealing an awesome method to boost your gaming experience. We're diving into an easy tutorial how to get unlimited gems with Capybara Go HACK. No complicated steps required. This trick works on both iOS and Android. And the best part? No rooting, no jailbreak, no special software. Just a simple process anyone can follow. Stick around till the end so you don't miss a single step. Let's get started. First things first, we need to find our user ID. This is a crucial step, so don't skip it. To find it, open Capybara Go, go to your profile settings, and look for your unique user ID. Write it down or copy it because we'll need it soon. Got it? Great. Let's move on to the next step. Now, open your favorite browser and go to this site. It provides hack tools for many popular mobile games and apps, but today we're focusing on Capybara Go HACK. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to find hack for Capybara Go, then click on it to open the dedicated hack page. Super simple, right? Let's keep going. This is where the magic starts. You'll see a form asking for a few details. Here's what to do. Select your platform, iOS or Android. Enter your username or user ID from earlier. Double-check everything, then press the Proceed button. The system will now link to the game servers. This is fully automated and completely safe. Just sit tight for a few moments. Once your account is connected, you'll see options to select how many resources you want. Choose your desired amount, then hit Proceed. The system will start injecting the resources while using encryption and proxies to keep everything secure. This may take a minute or two, so be patient. One last step before you're done. The site may ask for a quick verification to confirm you're a real player. Usually this means completing a simple task, like downloading an app or filling out a short survey. Don't worry, it's super easy and only takes a couple of minutes. If you get stuck, the website has a video guide to walk you through it. Just follow the steps, and you'll be good to go. Once the verification is complete, your resources will appear in your account instantly. Just like that. I've already tested this method, and it works perfectly. After completing all the steps, I went back into the game and boom! My resource balance was fully loaded within seconds. Now, I can enjoy the game stress-free without worrying about running out of resources. And that's a wrap. If this guide helped you, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help out. Make sure you're subscribed with notifications on so you never miss out on the latest gaming tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gaming. Catch you in the next one.